Here is an Agentic AI review. Agentic AI is a research assistant that harnesses the capabilities of a person. It also unlocks agility, precision, and efficiency with the feature of intelligent research. One of the key challenges in creating an AI research agent lies in designing a flexible yet scalable architecture. So if you're looking for an AI that can help you insights more on your research, then Agentic is the right one for you. It also ensures AI insights flow into tools like customer data platforms, CRMs, analytics, and more. It also uses real time data for action and analysis, allowing new events to trigger updates. It also has a faster iteration cycles and ability to evolve systems with new agentic AI tools. This is also time saving for those people who wanted to have a fast research. So if you wanted an AI that can help you throughout your research, then Agentic AI is the right one for you. You can go ahead and install, sign in, and actually have this on the different website that you have.